Cameleon Complete Tutorial Video number 5, Diagnosis Report for Damaged Vehicle. In this video, we are going to show you what to do when you encounter a damage point on a car, and how to use your Cameleon kit as a measurement system in order to assess the damage. In a previous video, we built a jig for the front subframe attachment on this car, and we noticed that it would not fit into the hole. This means that the right front longitudinal member has been bent. We will now show you how to make a report of the damage. First, we need to adjust the jig until the screw fits in the hole in the damaged position. In order to do this, we need to untighten the sliding block and lower the height adapter. We can now slide up the piston and secure it with the pin without hitting the car body. Adjust the sliding block, put the screw in, and screw the socket back up until it's tight against the car body. We can now read the values of the height adapter and sliders value in order to use them for the report. If you notice that other points are damaged, you can repeat the same process for them and include them in the report as well. Note that, for now, the diagnosis report is only available for vertical points. Let's now open the software and create the report. First, let's open Cameleon. And our saved configuration is already in the software. Let's go to Report. And any information you enter here will appear on the report. You can enter the survey type. This one is a diagnostic report. You can enter the date, write some notes, have some details about the technician. Here, you need to enter an ID for the report. And here you can give some information about the insurance. We don't have any, so let's click Next. Now give some information about the vehicle. Some information is already filled in according to the car loaded in the software. We need to enter a VIN number. You can also enter the year, the license plate, and the mileage of the car. Let's click on Next. Here you can give some information about the customer. Let's click on Next. And finally, here is the place where you enter information about the points. So we are working with point number 12. In these boxes, we need to enter the values we read on the sliding block and the height adapter. In the length value, we read 68 millimeters. In the width value, we read 64 millimeters. And on the Z offset, we read 4 millimeters. Let's choose a picture to upload for this point. Here you can view the picture you choose. And with this button you can discard it. If you have measured any other point, you can do the same for them to add other measures. We didn't measure any other point, so we can just save the report. And here we can open the report. We can see all the details we entered about the body shop, about the customer, about the insurance, the job detail, the vehicle. And here is the report about the points. We can see the details we enter for the point number 12. It has deviated 2 millimeters in length, 2 mm in width, and 2 mm in height. You can see this deviation with the small arrows on the drawing here. And at the bottom, we can see the pictures we entered for this point. We've seen what to do when you encounter a damage point when benching a car on a Cameleon, and you have now learned how to use your Cameleon kit as a measurement system in order to assess the damage.